Hey everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you about how to get started with We Share Abundance. So how do we make money with WSA or We Share Abundance? I know there is significantly more to our program that will intrigue the vast majority of you at first. So how do we bring cash in We Share Abundance? All things are considered, it's exceptionally straightforward in joining this community. First, on how to join, you have to confirm your email to complete your profile and set up your wallet with the goal that you get paid. There you have it, as simple as that. You will earn your initial $2. So you can do this under a minute. And every day you need to log in. You can make from 1 cent as much as $5 a day. Imagine, only for signing into your dashboard you can be earning as much as $155 per month just for signing into your account. Obviously you can invite others and collect commissions on their own purchases and their referral purchases as well. Pay is through 2 levels. And this is totally optional. You don't have to do this to make money with our program. With automatic upgrades, even for 3 members, this means that every referral, even starting as a free member, you can earn as much as $10 per month. If you refer 10 people, that's equivalent to 100 a month. And then if you refer 100 people, you will earn 1,000 a month. And if you refer 500, you will get 5,000 a month, plus an incentive of a car bonus of 500 per month. Because the pay is through 2 levels, if your referrals copy what you do, for example, you refer 10 who each refer 10, that's 1,100 a month. If this person refer 100 who refer 100 each, that's $100,000 per month. If you refer 500 who refer 500 people each, that's $2,505,000 per month. Now, that's unbelievable. Anyhow, this is not going to happen, and I'm aware about that. We should take a look at what's reasonable here. The vast majority of your referrals won't copy you. That's for a fact. However, your likely average this depends on industry-wide measurements. You presumably have 3 to 10 referrals from your team. For sure, some will not refer anybody, and some will sign up hundreds or even thousands. So, let's just imagine it's just 3 people, and this is very easy to achieve because we are trying to help them to make money for free. Let's just look at the small numbers for now, as this is possible rather than a hype element. Let's imagine it's just 3 people, and this is very easy to achieve because we are trying to help them to make money for free. Let's look at the small numbers for now, as this is possible rather than a hype element. If your average is 3 people, for instance, each person that you refer, and you refer 10 over 3, that will work out at 400 per month. If you refer 100 who refer 3 each, then that will work out at 4,000 per month. If you refer 500 who refer 3 each, that's 20,000 per month plus 500 car bonus, and that is powerful. And this is more realistic. Please be aware that you don't have to refer their paid members, because you can find people that come in as free, and they will automatically, through their income that they generate just through logging in and in different things, will have an ample amount of money to upgrade. Each members will want to upgrade, as it's better to be at the top level where you make more money, and you can do it from free member. Once they get to the top elite level, that's when you start making $10 per referral. This way of making money is from random positioning in the pools that you join. It can be very significant income. Surely in all 6 pools, you have the chance of being paid from an additional 6 sources. Ensure that you read any of the messages you received and send as many messages as you're allowed. Sending your offers to our members can generate the income. If you send them a good offer, they're in here to make money anyhow. If they see a good offer, they can join you, then they'll be in your own downline. You'll earn a commission, but importantly, full use of the system, that's reading your messages, sending out the messages you're allowed. This will ensure that you're paid all the rewards and commissions in pools. Now, with rewards mentioned, WeShare Abundance will be adding more ways to make money very soon. We've got a lot in the pipeline, and this will include, but they're not limited to, rewards for each message you read, ranging from 0.0025 cents to 16 cents per message. And as an elite member or a member of all 6 pools, and that will take you less than 10 seconds per message. WeShare Abundance will also be adding pay-per-click ad, and we'll have pay-per-view video ads as well. We've got a lot of exciting and unique things coming in the future that are all designed to make more money. We have something for everyone, whether you're passive or active, experienced or novice. All is welcome here, and you will be successful in this program. You can have a life of luxury with this program, whether you start free or whether you put your maximum 6 pools, which is $125 or $100 if you use our Visa tokens. We will get you there faster. It is as simple as that. So if you're interested in making $5 a day, please come and join us in our community. My referral link is written in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again in the next video.